Hey, how you all doing, and welcome to the channel. I know it's been a minute. Behind me we've got the FZ1. Currently working on that for a head bearing video. Today's video we have a little special something that just got delivered. It's from GR Moto. You've probably heard of them before. They're a UK company, and everything that I've had to do with them so far and what I've seen online, they've got great customer service. So we're gonna unpackage this exhaust. So I haven't gone with a full system, and this doesn't have the link pipe. It's a refurbished system. So we'll see on the condition of what that's like. It was like £130 cheaper than the new version. So let's get this open. Wonder what this is. Surprise inside GR Moto Racing exhaust technology. So we've got tank pad. Like them alone, like the Oxford ones, they're like 10 quid just on their own. Got a reservoir sock, a little business card. From a customer perspective, that's so good. I can't imagine I'd get one for like every order. I think probably because it's my first purchase with them. But oh, and some dusties as well. Get the exhaust out. Yeah, mounting hardware. Get that out of the way. Here she is. So this, what I've gone with, is a titanium system. There she is. Very nice. It's not a true titanium, like for 100 quid you're not getting a complete full titanium exhaust, but that's lasered on. That looks really nice. You know what, there's not even a mark on it, and this is 130 quid cheaper than a brand new one. That baffles me, literally baffling. Let's get this on the bike, do some sound tests and go for a ride with it. GR Moto exhaust to this Yamaha FZ1, which is a Gen 2. Let's go. And she's free. So we've got some exhaust paste, we'll throw that on. There we go, she's fitted. So we're going to double check that there's no blowing, and then we'll take her out for a ride.